Hello traders, in this video, we'll introduce you to an indicator that takes both price and volume into account when identifying market trends. Many existing trend filter indicators only focus on price, but this innovative tool, called Volume Supertrend AI, incorporates volume data and harnesses the power of machine learning for more accurate trend analysis. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like. To start using the Volume Supertrend AI indicator, open TradingView and load the 1-hour time frame of any forex pair or trading security of your choice. We'll use the 1-hour time frame of GBP/JPY. Then, click on the Indicators tab, type in Volume Supertrend AI, and select the version developed by Zierman. Volume Supertrend AI is a sophisticated tool that combines machine learning techniques, specifically the k-nearest neighbors algorithm, with traditional supertrend calculations. Its primary goal is to provide more accurate predictions of trends in price movements. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how this indicator can potentially revolutionize your trading strategy. Let's get started. This integration aims to provide a more precise prediction of price trends, identifying potential bullish and bearish signals in the market. Now, this indicator is composed of these green and red background fields. When the background field is green, that indicates a bullish trend. But when the background field is red, that indicates a bearish trend. This line that changes color from green to red and vice versa is called the trailing ATR line. As you can see, it closely mirrors the background fields. When it's colored red, it indicates a bearish trend, and when it's colored green, it indicates a bullish trend. This green dot indicates a shift in market trend from bearish to bullish. This red dot indicates a shift in market trend from bullish to bearish. These up and down arrows are trend continuation signals. The green upward arrow indicates a bullish trend continuation and is also a potential entry point for long trades. This red down arrow signals a bearish trend continuation and is also a potential entry point for short trades. In addition to these red and green areas, you'll notice a blue ribbon nested in between them. This is called the neutral zone. It typically appears during transitions from bullish to bearish trends and vice versa, serving as an indicator of potential market changes. Looking at the settings of this indicator, we can see several customizable options. Under the AI settings, decreasing the number of neighbors makes the indicator more responsive to recent price changes, while increasing it makes the indicator less sensitive to price, potentially filtering out market noise and false signals. For now, we're going to retain the default setting of 3. Additionally, altering the data quantity can modify the indicator's focus on recent market trends. A reduced data number makes the indicator hone in on the latest market behaviors, while increasing it incorporates a more extensive historical context into the trend analysis. For this strategy, we're going to maintain a default setting of 10, providing a balanced perspective. Next, we have the price trend and the prediction trend. This can be tuned to be more responsive to recent price changes or to filter out noise for identifying persistent market directions. Then here there is an option to show or hide the AI trend signals. Next, we delve into the super trend settings. The length parameter specifies the number of past candles used in the super trend calculations, affecting its responsiveness to price changes. The factor parameter alters the gap of the super trend from the current price, serving as a multiplier for the ATR calculations. Changing this number can affect this indicator's responsiveness to price changes. Moving on, we have the moving average source presenting several options for our selection. For this video, we're going to go with the default value. Additionally, here you have the option to change the colors representing bullish and bearish trends. In the Style tab, we have the option to switch the visibility of various indicator components. But since we're going to maintain the default settings of this indicator, we're going to click here and choose to reset this indicator settings to the default values. After that, click OK. Now at this point in time, I know you may be thinking, but how can we use this indicator to trade? Well, I'm going to show you. Now to take a long trade with this indicator, these are the conditions. The trend ribbon should be colored green to indicate that the market is in a bullish trend. And then we're going to wait for a green upward arrow to be printed to indicate a bullish trend continuation. And of course, it's going to be the opposite for a short trade. So the trend ribbon should be colored red to indicate that the market is in a bearish trend. Then a red downward arrow should be printed to indicate a bearish trend continuation. Now, taking trades with this indicator this way isn't the best option because the indicator produces lots of false signals when the market is ranging. To fix this issue, we're going to add one more tool to the chart. On the Indicator Search tab, type in EMA. Select this one that's called Moving Average Exponential. Double-click on it to access the settings icon. Then on the Inputs tab, change the length to 200. Then on the Style tab, change the color to whatever you want fat change for more visible. After that, click OK. The moving average is going to be used to identify long-term trends in the market. When the price is trading above it, that indicates a long-term bullish trend. And when the price is trading below it, that indicates a long-term bearish trend. Now, to take trades with these two indicators combined is really simple. Let me show you. To take a long trade, first, the price should be trading above this 200-period EMA to indicate a long-term bullish trend. Second, the volume supertrend AI should be colored green to indicate that the market is in a short-term bullish trend. Third, a green arrow should be printed by the volume supertrend AI to indicate a bullish trend continuation. Lastly, as an additional confirmation, we want to make sure that there is a resistance level present and that resistance level should not be too far from the candle where the green arrow was printed. In this particular example, we can see that there is this resistance zone right here and the price actually rejected it 2 times. This is going to increase the probability of the price heading in the direction of our trade once the price breaks and losses above it. Also, an important thing to remember is that from the beginning of this resistance level, we want the market to be in a bullish trend, which means from here all the way to here, the trend ribbon of the volume supertrend AI should be colored green. If it displays any other color in between here, that setup becomes invalid. As you can see here, the price broke and closed above this resistance level, which means all our entry conditions are met right here. So we're going to enter a long trade here. The stop loss is going to be set somewhere below the resistance level. And for the take profit, we're going to set it at 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. Letting this trade run and it hits take profit. For short trades, these are the conditions. First, the price should be trading below this 200-period EMA to indicate a long-term bearish trend. Second, the volume supertrend AI should be colored red to indicate that the market is in a short-term bearish trend. Third, a red downward arrow should be printed by the volume supertrend AI to indicate a bearish trend continuation. Lastly, as an additional confirmation, we want to make sure that there is a support level present and that support level should not be too far from the candle where the red arrow was printed. In this particular example, we can see that there is this support level right here and the price bounced from it 2 times. This is going to increase the probability of the price heading in the direction of our trade once it breaks and closes below it. Also, an important thing to remember is that from the beginning of this support level, we want the market to be in a bearish trend, which means from here all the way to here, the volume supertrend AI should only be colored red. If it happens to display any other color other than red, that setup becomes invalid. As we can see, the price broke and closed below this support level, which means all our entry conditions are met right here. We enter a short trade here, set the stop loss somewhere above this support level. And for the take profit, we're going to set it at 1.5 times the risk to reward ratio. Letting this trade run. And it hits take profit. Ultimately, the volume supertrend AI indicator is a valuable tool in identifying market trends, improving your trading strategy by combining both volume analysis and machine learning. Use this guide not as financial advice, but as a step towards making informed and strategic trading decisions. That's all for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching our video.